Forget about the Pixel 9 for a second, because leaks about the Pixel 10 and even the Pixel 11 are already all over the place. It feels like as soon as Google drops a new phone, we're already hearing about the next few generations. Thanks to a series of insider leaks, we've got some juicy details about Google's upcoming Tensor chips, AI features, and more. So let's dive into the big stuff you can expect from future Pixels. It's no secret that artificial intelligence is going to be a huge focus for Google in the coming years, especially when it comes to photography and video. The Pixel 10 is rumored to expand the AI-powered photo editing tools from the Pixel 9, and this time, they're going to tackle video. We're talking about something called video generative machine learning, which should bring some insane video editing capabilities to the Google Photos app. Think of it like Google's reimagined photo editor, but for video. Expect a smoother, AI-driven editing experience that could let you fix, enhance, or even erase things from your videos, just like you can with photos. But Google's not stopping there. The AI features don't just stop at editing. Leaked documents suggest the Pixel 10 will also introduce Speak to Tweak. Basically, you'll be able to tell your phone how to adjust your photos using voice commands. And then there's Sketch to Image, which sounds a lot like what we've seen with tools like Microsoft's AI Copilot. It's just one of those "how did we ever live without this" features. Another mysterious feature floating around is called Magic Mirror. The details on this are slim, but it could be a live selfie filter mode, kind of like Snapchat's filters, but with Google's twist. If you've got ideas on what it might be, hit the comments and share your thoughts. With every new Pixel, there's a fresh Tensor chip, and Google is about to level up big time. The Tensor G5 should power the Pixel 10, with an upgraded processing unit capable of running AI models locally, meaning faster, on-device processing for things like photo editing. The G5 will also introduce some serious video upgrades, including 4K 60 frames per second HDR recording, a nice step up from the Pixel 9's 4K 30 frames per second. But it doesn't stop there. The Pixel 11 is expected to take things even further, introducing cinematic blur, a simulated depth of field effect, for video at up to 4K 30 frames per second. This will be perfect for anyone looking to create professional-looking videos right from their phone. The real showstopper, though, the Pixel 11 might come with night sight video that works fully on device. Right now, this feature is part of Google's cloud video enhancement, but you have to upload your footage to the cloud and wait for processing. With the Pixel 11, it could all happen on your phone, allowing for ultra-low light video capture in near total darkness. Say goodbye to those awkwardly grainy night shots. So, yeah, Google's future Pixels are looking crazy exciting. The AI features alone could completely change how we edit photos and videos on our phones, and the new Tensor chips are shaping up to push Google's phones even further ahead in terms of performance and power efficiency. But here's the thing, this is all still a bit far out. A lot could change between now and the official releases. What we know for sure is that Google is all in on AI, and their next-gen chips are going to bring some serious juice to make all of these features possible. What's your take on all these leaks? Any features you're particularly pumped for? Let me know down in the comments, and stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to launch.